Watch your face.
Right. I have goggles on.
I know, but I don't want you. Okay. Good squeeze at the end. Go on. Those thick pieces of the tabletop. Right? Okay. And these thin pieces. So these here are going to be the side of your cabinet. So you put this out like this, and this goes in here like this. And all these pieces here make one side of your cabinet. There you go. Get back at it. Okay, let it up. Let the chips out. And all the way. There you go. Up. Let the chips out. Turn it off. You never want to put your fingers in here. Especially if you got a sweater on or long hair. It'll grab you, it'll suck your head in, take all the skin off your face.
Like, if your hair got stuck in there, it would go like...
Scalp ya.
Yeah, then you'd be in the hospital.